Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean up your computer a little bit. Very simple task to basically just get rid of old files or temporary files that you don't really need anymore. Especially if your hard drive's getting close to being full, this could help. If not, I mean, it's not going to make a huge difference, but it is nice to do anyway. So first thing you want to do is go down here to your search bar. If you don't have a search bar down here, you can always hit the Windows key. So that would be the bottom left of your keyboard in between Control and Alt, the little Windows button. You just click that and it'll open it up. So once you have that, you'll see there's a little search bar up here. You're going to want to type in disk cleanup. You can just do disk and it'll pop up right here. So we're going to go ahead and click that. So this is going to be your drive. This is just a typical one that's by default really is a C drive. I mean, you might have others that you want to clean up, but this is probably going to be the one you want to clean. Go ahead and click that, click OK. So basically, you'll see a bunch of boxes here. I usually will just do, like temporary files, recycling bin, that one. Let's see here. Yeah, everything else I pretty much just usually leave because it doesn't really have a lot of, storage built up anyway. So I just leave it like that. And then after that, you can just do OK and then delete files. And mine won't take very long because mine doesn't have anything really on there. But yours, if you haven't done it in a long time or ever, you might have quite a bit of gigabytes built up on there. Also, if you go back to it, there's also another option for clean up system files. I mean, you can do that too. And you might have a little bit more things to clean up. So you could always do that as well. But yeah, like so you could do this right there, get rid of that. Might take a little bit longer if you have more data, like I said. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you in some way. So if so, leave a like and subscribe and a comment if you have any questions, and have a great day.